record this one. All right, now I'm recording these questions. Okay. So after class, okay, if you still need the help, okay, you can take a look at the video, okay. Now I'm gonna delete, clean, over here. I'm gonna clean. You know what is the definition of average speed, okay? The definition is a simple total distance over total time. That is average speed. I'm gonna write down definition. I need a little more speed over here. I'm gonna do this, okay? All right. Average speed, one more times, average speed. Average speed is a total time, not total time, total distance over total time. That is average speed. We know that speed is what the distance over time, isn't it? Or time is what? Distance over speed, that is the time. And distance is what? Speed times time, that is the distance. Okay, you guys understand this one, right? So we follow definition over here. Total distance over total time. That is the average speed. Okay, in this question, I have a different two sections. First section is 15 miles. From here to here, 15 miles. But only in this section, they speed with, drive with this speed, 30 miles per hour. That is the speed. Now they're gonna drive additional miles over here. But this mileage, we don't know. How many miles they're gonna drive, we don't know. We're gonna let this as the X miles. But in this X miles, they're gonna use this speed. They're gonna drive the car in this X miles 55 miles per hour. But there's a condition there. Total average speed should be what? 15 miles per hour, total average speed. Entire trip, average speed should be 50 miles per hour. Hold together. I'm gonna have it one more time. This total miles, what is total distance? Where average speed is what? Total distance, okay? We need to find total distance. But this total distance have some unknown number. Next section is how many miles, we don't know. We're gonna decide. They're asking you this number. I'm gonna make it straight, like this is not straight. Total, no, the entire distance over here. What is the entire distance in terms of x? Still x is what? We don't know. 15 miles and x miles. I'm going to do x plus 15 or 15 plus x, doesn't matter. 15x plus 15 miles. That is the entire distance. Can you see it over here? Total distance. What is total time? We have to find out. Time is not given. How can you find the time? Distance over speed. First section, we already got the distance and speed. What's the time? I'm going to use the time. To travel 30 miles, it takes 1 hour. Travel half of a day, it takes what? 0.5 hours. Okay, or you can use the formula over here. Speed is what? Distance. Distance is 15 miles. Speed is 30 miles. That is the time. That equals what? 5 hours, isn't it? Per section, it takes 1.5 hours from here to here. What is the next section? Still we don't know. Next section is what? Distance we don't know. Distance is unknown. Speed is given 50 miles. So what is that? X over 55 hours, right? Distance over speed is still time. This is distance and speed is time. This is time 1. This is the second time. Up to here, okay? We just express what distance? We just expressed total time and distance. I'm a distance first. Total distance and total time in terms x. Because we're still we're gonna find the x. There's no other way. We're gonna decide the value of x. Total distance equals x plus 15. Total time during the trip equals total time is how much? 0.5 hours. And second section, x over 55. That is total time. But this is a little bit hard because what? Time and distance there in terms of x. X is an unknown number. But you have to learn this one if you want to try AMC 8. This is the AMC 8 questions. What is the average by definition? Average what? Total distance over total time. Where is total distance? Average speed. Where is total distance? X plus 15. In terms of x, where is the total time? 0.5 times x over 55. That is average speed. But this average speed should be equal to this number, 50 miles per hour. Okay, you need to understand what the question is. For the entire trip, average speed should be what 50, but this is average speed. It should be equals 50 miles per hour. You have to solve these equations. You can use cross multiplication. 50 is 50 over 1, so times over here. X plus 50. Now times this way. 0.5, I'm going to time. 0.5 times plus x over 55 and times 50, right? 0.5 times 50, how much? 25. 50 times x n over 55. This is what? 50x over 55, isn't it? Now we can simplify this one, okay? 50 over 55 is what is that? Divided by 5, that's gonna be 10, denominator should be 11, right? So I'm gonna write one more time over here. X plus 15 is equals, what is that? 25 plus 10 over 11x. That's the final equations. But we need to simplify it more. We need to find the value of x. Because we have, right? Yeah. X is what additional miles over here. The second section, x is what distance for second section. Okay. Now, minus 10 over 11x, this is out. Minus 15, 25 minus 15, right? That's the equation, right? So, x minus 10 over 11x, how much? X minus 10 over 11x. How can you find simplify? X is a common denominator, 11, to change 11, this is right, times 11 times 11, right? So it's gonna be 11x over 11, that is x. Now we have a common denominator, which is 11. Okay? How much is that? 11x minus 10x. This looks like this one. 11x minus 10x over 11, right? 11 minus 10x is 1x. So 1x over 11. That's the simplest form. Left hand side. Right hand side is how much? 15 minus 10 is what? 10, right? So you have to solve this one. X over 11 is equals what? 10. Is that the final? Now times 11 both sides. Times 11. Times 11. 11 is out. X equals binary 110. What is this one? This is what second section distance. They're gonna asking you additional miles, which is x. So the answer is what? X equals 110 miles. Is this understandable? Now,
Yes.
any questions? Okay.
I don't think so.
All right. So you take a look at this one. Okay, you have to do by yourself. Okay. If you don't understand, don't say you are smart. That's true. Okay. After class, click the video. You must understand this one. Okay. Because some other grade, they are all same grade like you.
I understand the ending, but not like the front part.
All right, so take a look at the video, okay? I'll send out the link. You need to invest your time. Okay, I'm recording right now, okay, still, okay? If you need
I
help,
know the answer
take a
for
look.
problem 17.
Okay, what is the answer problem 17? Okay.
I got B.
Oh, you got B. Excellent, good try. Now check out the answer. Any other answer we are look? You got the same answer?
Yes.
What about Jake?
I got B.
All right, everybody did. All right,
I got
Chung,
A.
you got A, okay. Oh, you have a 12. I don't know which one it is, okay? All right, okay, let me take a look at the questions. This is what it is, wow. Series. This is called a telescoping series, telescoping. Telescope expression. SSIO. What is telescoping? Each term they have some common pattern. Telescope expression, they have some common pattern. From this two. Did you see this one? 3 over 2 and 2 over 3, they are reciprocal. Because this is a product. When you multiply these two numbers, each other, reciprocate each other, it's gonna be 1, okay? 3 is canceled out, 2 is canceled out, it's gonna be 1 over here. Now tackle the next one. 4, 3rd, and 3, 4. They are reciprocal each other. Can you see that? 3 over 4 times, 2 over 3 first. 4 over 3 times 3 over 4 is how much? It's gonna be 1 because they are reciprocal. 3 is out, 4 is out. Also, this gives us 1. The next one also same pattern. Now over here we don't know.
It's
But
gonna
by the
repeat.
pattern, it's gonna be 1, okay? By the pattern, right? The last 2 digits, last 2 terms, check it out. 99 and 88, it's out all 1. The only thing is what? This first number and last number not canceled out. All other times 1. Now multiply these two numbers. 1/2 times 100 over 99. Yeah, that is the result of this telescoping expression. That's the pattern. What happened, we don't know. Yeah, we follow the pattern. That's
When you
real.
simplify it, you get 50
Yeah,
over.
you need a simplify. That's right. Okay, simplify. Anyway, this is what? Divided by 2 is 1, divided by 2 is 50. So the result will be 50/99. Oh, B is correct. Okay, very close. Good try. Any question? Number 17.
We'll go on forever.
Everyone okay? All right. Now that is number 8. We try number 18. Better via difficult. Because we are going to a 7th grade or 8th grade, I don't know. We try a little more, okay? Maybe if you guys are really strong in math, we can try it 25. But you can try. That is a good opportunity. What are the AMC 8 difficult questions? Actually, you got to write all the what? Complete configuration, figure out. Maybe next time it will be looks easy. Another next time easy too. Maybe someday it is so easy. That's the right AMC questions. Okay, until all the questions look so easy, you have to continue study hard, okay? Now what is this one? The paces of each two pair die. You know the pair dies by the way, but 6 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. No, this is what is that? Oops. They not gonna use number 6. Forget it, number 6. They use a number, now 4. Oh my God, this is different. They use a different number, 1, 2, 3, 5, and 7, 8. Wow. So there are what? Half of that even, half of what? Odd, but this is totally different, right? Even number, odd number is different. 2 pair, same numbers. Second, this is the first one. This is second dice. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 8. All right, when 2 dice tossed, what is the probability? Their sum will be an even number. What is the sum when you add these 2 numbers? They're gonna show, right, 2 numbers up to top of here, right? Maybe 2 and another one, 5, this one. But when you add these numbers, this is not even number. If you choose 8, if you got this one, 2 plus 8 is even numbers. So what is the probability? What is the probability? Okay, probability is what is that? All possible outcomes. All possible outcomes. Outcomes is result. Over here, what is that? Successful outcomes or event outcomes. I'm going to event outcomes or successful outcomes. What is the event? We need what? Even number, okay? The sum should be even. That is the event, isn't it? We said what? Desirable, desired. Someone used what? Desired. We need the sum is even. That's the probability.
I got E.
Oh, I got the 1 over. Any other answer? Send it to me. Any other answer? Victoria, oh, you got some number?
I don't really know.
Okay, now let's try, okay? What about Jake?
Yeah, I don't really get it too.
Okay, what about Luke?
I got E.
Oh, you got D. Okay, maybe we have a lot of probability. Okay. So how many outcomes are there? How many outcomes do you think out there? First one, this one, the other one. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3, each of this number 1, 1 plus 5, 1 plus 6, 1 plus 8. Each one has, well, how many outcomes? Outcomes is the sum of 2 numbers. One, each number, this number with this number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 outcomes, right? First one is what? 2. Second one is 3. And the 4, 1 plus 5 is 6. 1 plus 7 is 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. Okay? So this is a sum with the number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What about number 2 with the number 1, 1, 1? Number 2 is the same thing, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, another 6. Number 3, another 6. Number 4, 6. Number, and that's for 5, 6, 7, 6, 8, 6. What is that? 6 times 6 is there will be total 36 sums out there, right? There are 36 sums. Out of these 36 terms, how many sums have right even? Now check it out. First, the number 1. Which numbers give us what sum is even? 1 plus 1 is even? Yes, that's okay, 1. 1 plus 2 is even. Do you think 1 plus 2 is 3 is even? No way. The next one, 1 plus 3 is even? Yep, 1 plus 3 is 4 is even. 1 plus 5 is even? Yes, it is. 1 plus 5 is 6 is even number. 1 plus 7 is even? Yes. 1 plus 8 is even? No, 1 plus 8 is 9 is not even. That is odd. With the number, this number is odd number, right? With this number 1, we have what? 4
I got
sums.
A.
Yeah, oh, you got the 1A, okay. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, they are all even sum, right? 4 over here. With the number 1, with number 1, they are the 4. With the number 1, there is 4. What about number 2? This number 2. How many sums are even? 2 plus 1? No. 2 plus 2 sum, right? 2 plus 3? No. 2 plus 5? No. 2 plus 7? 9, right? 2 plus 8? 10. That is a sum. Is it okay? Okay, with number 2 again. 2 plus 1 is 3 is not even. 2 plus 2 is even. 2 plus what? 3 is not even. 2 plus 5 is not even. 2 plus 7 is 9 even. 2 plus 8 is even. We have only 2 numbers. When you add use this one, that their sum is even, right? When you have only 2 numbers. Now use number 3. Number 3 is what? Odd number, same number like this one, right? 4. Number 5 is also odd number, will be equals to 4, same number, odd number, right? That's the same number. Now, 7 is odd too, it's gonna be 4 numbers. 8 is not, right? 8 is what? Even, it's gonna be 2 numbers only, right? Now find the total number. 4, 4, 4, 4 is what? 16. Another 2 plus 2 is what? 4. Total is 28. So 20 sums out of 36 will be what? Their numbers is just even number. So 20 over 36. Now let's find divided by 4. Divided by 4. This is
You
a
got
5.
5 over 9.
This is now, oh, C is the answer, okay? C is the answer, okay? I'm gonna delete right A and E. Are you guys with me? All right, I'm recording, okay? Just to watch the recording one more time, okay? After class. All right.
Okay.
Number, you guys want to try number 19? Okay, number 19, a little, this is the easy one, okay? But a little, okay, confused, I think. So instead of this one, a little boring 19, I'm gonna try this one first. Number 20, or, okay, number 20 for second. You're gonna try this one today. Anyway, we can try all other questions, okay? But too much, right, logic. So we're gonna solve this algebra. because you guys know the algebra already. Okay, but this is a different form. How many different values of x satisfy this one? First, we can try some number squares is 16. What is inside these numbers? Anybody know this one? Well, one number square is 16. 4 squared is 16. That's true, right? That's true. 4 squared is 16. What about negative 4?
I got C.
You got C? Negative 4 squared also 16, right? Is this okay? Are you agreed? 4
Yeah.
squared is 16. Negative 4 squared also 16. So this number inside should be right. If we have this one, x squared is 16. What is the large x? Large x should be plus minus square root 16, which is what? 4 and negative 4, right? But you don't have to do this way. Just what inside over, you know that simply. 4 squared is 16. Negative 4x squared is 16. So this number inside must be what? 4 or negative 4. Are you okay? Now take a look inside the number we have over here. This is inside the number. Inside the number.
I got B.
B? B or D? David or boy?
I got D.
All right, check it. X squared minus 5 can be 4 or x squared minus 5 equals also negative 4. We have 2 possible cases over here. Up to here, okay? Now we're going to find the value of x, right? X squared equals what? Plus 5 is what? 9. The other one, x squared equals what? Plus 5 is 1, right? 5 minus 4 is 1. Now we're going to find the value of x over here. Some value of a square is 9. What is inside the number? 7 is before. 3 square is 9. Negative 3 square is also 9. We have 2 values of x. X can be positive 3 or negative 3, right? It's okay? You know that
Yes.
3 square is 9, negative 3 square, negative times negative positive. Over here, x squared is, look at 2 numbers, is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. It can be 1 or what? Negative 1 times negative 1, right? It's 1, 2. So this number can be 1 or negative 1. They are different numbers.
D.
Yes.
D.
Choice D is the answer, okay? Choice D is the answer. Okay, this one take a little more time. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna finish the class today. We still have 3 minutes. So I'm gonna, okay, burning the recording lecture. You're gonna take, right, I think 30 minutes because it's not long today. So I'm gonna send out the link, all right? So the video will be posted on YouTube. So click the link, you take a, okay, the video and complete figure out the questions before we're going to next. All right, just so you need to build up, okay, your background. If you don't understand the questions, you build up 1 questions, okay? That is very important. Okay, thanks for joining class. I'll see you next time, okay? You guys have a great weekend. I'm gonna send out another 15 questions of homework, okay? For the weekend.
Okay.
Okay, after class, I'm gonna send out. You're gonna try this one. You don't have to send me the answer. Just what you try, because the next time you're gonna go over, go get that homework. Okay, all right. You don't have to. I'm not gonna grade. Okay, but you study yours. Okay, all right. So I'll see you next time. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.